In third type, we will find the truth values of compound statement. In second type, in first type we have written the truth value of simple statement. In second type we have written the symbolic form of compound statement. Now in third type we have to write the truth value of compound statement. To find truth value of compound statement, first of all we have to find the truth value of individual simple statement. म्हणजे कंपाऊंड स्टेटमेंटची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू माहीत करण्यासाठी पहिल्यांदा आपल्याला सिंपल स्टेटमेंटच्या ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू माहीत असणं आवश्यक आहे. त्यासाठी first of all we'll write this in symbolic form. So first of all we consider let P stands for 4 is odd and Q stands for 1 is prime. 1 is prime. Therefore its symbolic form is what is connected here, R is here, therefore we have to write here P or Q. Now we have to write here truth value of this compound statement. So first of all we write truth value of P and Q. So what are the truth values of P and Q? Truth values of P and Q are truth value of P 4 is odd. 4 is odd number. हे ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे? हे फॉल्स आहे कारण 4 हे इवन नंबर आहे. therefore 4 साठी 4 is odd number is false and 1 is prime. 1 prime आहे का? नाहीये. प्राइम नंबरची सुरुवात 2 पासून होते. 2 3 5 7 like this. So therefore 1 is not prime number. Therefore truth values of P and Q are both are P and Q both is capital F. Truth values of P and Q both is capital F. So therefore truth value of compound statement, truth value of, we will write here given compound statement. What is compound statement? P or Q is equivalent to P truth value F, Q truth value F, F or F. F or F is F. Therefore truth value of this statement, compound statement, is P or Q is equivalent to capital F. Therefore this first truth value is our false. Now we will see second compound statement. Second compound statement is 64 is perfect square. 64 is a perfect square. 64 is a perfect square and 46 is a prime number. 46 is a prime number. Now we will see the truth value of this compound statement. We will write the solution of this second compound statement. For this purpose, first of all we will write let P stands for 64 is a perfect square. And Q stands for 46 is a prime number. Now first of all we will write symbolic form. Therefore its symbolic form is, what is connected here? And is here. Therefore we will write here P and Q. Now truth value of P is 64 is a perfect square. We know that. What is square root of 64? Square root of 64 is 8. Therefore 64 is a perfect square. Therefore truth value of P is capital T, and Q is, truth value of Q is 46 is a prime number. 46 is even number, we know that. Therefore this truth value is capital F. Truth value is capital F. Now we will write, therefore truth value of given compound statement is, what is, P and Q. Truth value of P is T, conjunction with F. We know that in case of conjunction, if both truth values are T, then only truth value of compound statement is T, otherwise its truth value is false. Therefore this is our answer for second compound statement. Now we will write our third compound statement. We will see the solution of third compound statement. Now we will see the solution of third compound statement. 5 is a prime number and 7 divides 94. We will see the truth value of this compound statement. For this purpose, first of all, we will write P stands for 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. Q stands for 7 divides 94. Therefore its symbolic form, what is connective here? And is connective here. Therefore its symbolic form is P and Q. This is symbolic form. Now we will write truth values. So truth value of P, 5 is prime number, is true. 7 divides 94. Is 94 is divisible by 7. 94 is not divisible by 7. Therefore its truth value is false. Therefore truth value of P is capital T and Q is capital F. Therefore truth value of compound statement, truth value of given compound statement, which is given compound statement P and Q, is, truth value of P is T and Q is false. Therefore is, what will be truth value? Its truth value is conjunction of T and F is false, because conjunction of T and T is only true, and all other combination its truth value is false. This solution of third example. Now we will see the solution of fourth example. It is not true that 5 minus 3i is a real number. Here is simple statement is only, let P stands for only 5 minus 3i is a real number. Now we will see its symbolic form. Its symbolic form means symbolic form of our given statement is, what is symbolic form of given statement? In given statement there is, it is not true that this phrase is used for negation. Therefore its symbolic form is negation of P. After writing symbolic form, we have to write the truth value. Now truth value of P. What is P here? 5 minus 3i is real number. But we know that 5 minus 3i, I is here imaginary unit. Therefore 5 minus 3i is a complex number. It is not a real number. Therefore truth value of P is capital F. Now therefore truth value of compound statement, statement, which is compound statement, negation of P is negation of F, and negation of F is capital T. This is solution of fourth example. Now we will see the solution of fifth example. Fifth compound statement is if 3 into 5 equal to 8. We know that 3 into 5 is not 8, but here given compound statement is if 3 into 5 is 8, then 3 plus 5 is 15. This is our given compound statement. Now first of all we will write in symbolic form. So let P stands for 3 into 5 equal to 8, comma Q stands for 3 plus 5 equal to 15. Then its symbolic form. Then we'll write its symbolic form. If then is here, therefore its symbolic form is P implies Q. Now we'll write truth value. Truth value of P is, what is truth value of P? 3 into 5 is not 8, therefore truth value of P is F. And what is truth value of 3 plus 5 equal to 15? It is also F, because 3 plus 5 is not equal to 15. Therefore truth value of both the statement, truth values of P and Q, both are capital F. Truth value of both are capital F. Therefore truth value of compound statement, truth value of compound statement, which is compound statement here, P implies Q, is truth value of P is F, F implies F, F implies F. We know that in implication, if truth value of hypothesis is true and truth value of conclusion is F, then only here answer is, what is here answer? Here answer is F. In all other combination its truth value is T. But here first truth value is F, second is F, therefore its truth value will be capital T. So we will write here capital T. This is our solution of fifth example, means truth value of 5 compound statement. Now the sixth compound statement is milk is white if and only if sky is blue. To write truth value of this compound statement, like similar examples, like previous examples, we will write P stands for first simple statement, milk is white, and Q stands for second simple statement, sky is blue. Now its symbolic form is, कोणता आहे इथं कनेक्टिव्ह, इफ अँड ओनली इफ, इफ अँड ओनली इफ म्हणजे बाय कंडिशनल, P double implies Q is its symbolic form. Now truth values of P and Q, milk is white, milk is always color is white, sky is also blue, this is universal truth, therefore both truth values of P and Q both are capital T. Therefore truth value of compound statement, this compound statement P double implies Q is T double implies T, and if identical truth values are here, therefore this truth value is capital T. Therefore truth value is capital T in this compound statement. Now we'll see next last compound statement in third type. 24 is a composite number or 17 is a prime number. First of all, write simple statements. Let P stands for 24 is a composite number. Q stands for 17 is a prime number. Therefore, its symbolic form is R is here. Therefore, disjunction we have to write here P or Q. This is symbolic form. Now, truth values. Now, truth values of P is 24 is a composite number. Yes, this is truth values tree. 17 is also prime number. Truth values of P and Q. We'll write both are same. Therefore, P and Q both are capital T. Therefore, we'll write capital letter here. Therefore, truth value of compound statement. This compound statement here, disjunction is here P or Q. P or Q is T or T. You know that disjunction of F and F is only F. In all other combination, its truth value is capital T. Therefore, this is our solution of 7th compound statement is true. 6th compound statement is also true. This is solution of complete third type.